What is blockchain and how will it transform the way we work? I've come across a number of experts who agree that blockchain is going to transform the way we do business in the same way that the internet did around 20 years ago. But what is blockchain? The concept of blockchain and the hype surrounding it can be somewhat difficult to grasp. At the most simple level, blockchain is a database or a method of recording data. This can be a record of transactions, agreements, contracts, anything that needs to be independently recorded and verified as having happened, such as land registries to medical records, supply chain details, or even ID and voting records. The technology behind blockchain takes records together in blocks, then ties them chronologically into a chain using complex mathematical algorithms. This encryption process, known as hashing, is carried out by lots of different computers. If they all agree on the answer, each block receives a unique digital signature. Once a transaction is added, everyone with permission to do so can see it on their copy. And blockchain's cryptographic, encoded, audit trail means that it can be changed. But what makes blockchain so different? Unlike traditional databases, this ledger isn't stored in one place. It's distributed across hundreds or even thousands of computers around the world at the same time. Everyone in a chosen network can access an up-to-date version of the ledger, making it democratic and transparent. How will blockchain transform business? There are many ways in which blockchain will change the way we work. Here are just a few examples. Smart contracts. A smart contract is computer code and the foundation of a transaction on the blockchain, like the exchange of currency or property. Think of it as a digital, blockchain-based contract, which self-executes by converting the deal into computer code, stored in the system, and is then run by an international network of computers. Smart contracts can help transactions to run more smoothly and help cut out middlemen, which would usually accompany a transaction. For example, you might traditionally need a lawyer to have contract papers notarized, but with a smart contract, you can drop your contractual agreement in the ledger and have them added to the blockchain. Faster payments. It can take days and days to transfer money to another country. The global payments sector is huge, but the processes are still slow, costly, error-prone, and not completely traceable. Blockchain is about to change this. Santander became one of the first banks to apply blockchain to their payments app, enabling customers to make international payments, which clear within a day, 24/7. Over time, we're likely to see blockchain enabling banks to provide real-time payments, whilst reducing operational costs and the risk of errors. Better supply chains. Blockchain is one of the driving forces transforming the supply chain. Generally, existing supply chains are complex, slow, and involve many parties across the world. Using blockchain to execute smart contracts can help transfer titles to goods and money, removing the need for middlemen like banks to provide products such as letters of credit. In this case, blockchain also creates a sense of trust, as those in the chain are able to clearly see a record of operations, where products are coming from, and more. How do you think blockchain will transform business?